Machita, welcome back to the channel Bafetu. The series continues Bafetu. Midfielders, Kaizer Chiefs need to sign. I've spoken about left backs, I've spoken about the central defenders. Namhlanje, the attacking midfielders Bafetu. The best player in football in a team Bafetu must be the attacking midfielder, number 10. It is one of my favorite positions, but not number 1. My favorite positions is a defensive midfielder, but here, number 10, very, very exciting. Always the visionary players, but creator goals, but scorer goals. But remember, is number 10. Kaizer Chiefs next season, it not 1, but 2 attacking midfielders. On number 10, about 2 bafethu. Gaston Sereno, as I said in previous videos, Mduduzi Shabalala is not enough. He needs competition, and Kaizer Chiefs need it depth. If he's a challenger for the league, if he's a challenger for the MTN 8, Carling Knockout, CAF Confederation Cup. This is a big team. You can't have one number 10 for a team. Umfundo Vilakazi, he's not at that level. He's there, but not there yet instead of number 10. Kaizer Chiefs are not competing in Sundowns, in Pirates, City, Chonga, or number 10, while Umfundo Vilakazi. Mchana does have a talent, but lena irresponsibility enkulu kakhulu bafethu. Jonge uRibeiro wenza ntoni Sundowns when he was the attacking midfielder phana. Ujongele out uNuno Santos replacement yakhe yenza ntoni Sundowns. Ujonge uThemba Zwane besenza ntoni ngoba inguye imain attacking midfielder Sundowns. Ujonge wenze ntoni uMofokeng attacking midfielder number 10 wePirates last season. Ujonge wenze ntoni uMasangwanye as number 10 wePirates. So Kaizer Chiefs can't depend on Shabalala okanye uVilakazi. Gaston Sereno was supposed to be the guy, but he did not deliver. Kule video bafethu ngizothetha ngoNeo Mayema, Lucas Ribeiro, Kabelo Dlamini, Siyanda Ndlovu, Karim Kimvuidi. Before ningene video bafethu ngicela support ichannel bafethu ngo-like okanye ngo-subscribe. And most importantly Machita, ngicela xa kungena i-ads apha ke-screen xa ningaskiphi i-ads bafethu ziyanceda for i-content creators if aniziskiphi i-ads. Mangene khona bafethu. Number 1 uNeo Mayema. Ifenze Chiefs ezininzi ziyamthanda lo mjini ukudala zimfuna eNaturena futhi. Is a left-footed number 10. I-contract yakhe eSundowns iyaphela ngoJune and umjini be on loan iSimba eTanzania and nayo low spell yaphela ngoku. Umjita inumber zakhe kwiSimba last season bezingablowi amanzi, but 2 goals 2 assists, okay fine. But uMayema siyazi bayintoni akwazi uyenza as a number 10 bafethu. Left foot as a special ke ezo left footed number 10 bafethu. Una 30 ngoku, which is mature age career yakhe umjita. At 30 he can still play for 4-5 more years. He has all the experience in the world umjita. And umjita has so much to prove as a footballer and as a name umjita. South Africa umjita zangafumana enough opportunity Sundowns and stage platform to prove that Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Umjita has shown interest to join the Kaizer Chiefs. He has been linked with Kaizer Chiefs and he has come close to joining Kaizer Chiefs lomchita. And for those players bafethu, the way you move from a big club, into etibana not just finance, okay, his teams owners in financial bracket one bafethu. Like if it's a team so une career mos awufuna udropa kakhulu ki salary range yakho. So bafethu ukuzibuza baku sekutheni players zithanda usuka from Sundowns Chiefs. One of the reasons bafethu imali. Salary range i-players azithanda udropa kakhulu umuntu sese-mid career yakhe. Awufuni usuka kwenye salary and then udrope kakhulu. Funeke ibeke level e1 and yenzeka even overseas la uyibona i-team i-player isuka i-Arsenal iyeke i-Chelsea, isuka i-Liverpool iyeke i-Arsenal, isuka i-Man United iyeke i-Arsenal, Man United, Chelsea, because not just imali but also i-brand bafethu, the profile ye-player for i-brands and sponsors zakho ufuna uhlala kula high level. Ufuna uhlala kula same level in terms of i-profile yakho. And up eMzansi it is no different bafethu. Dala sibona lapha from Sundowns to Chiefs bafethu. Kudala from Otoriel pa Omphela, Odladla, Castro, Billiard bafethu. Rama Mphahlelwa no Sereno last season. And then talking about the players bafethu esiwaka big team, eziya kwenye big team to keep a profile. Kabelo Dlamini bafethu number 2 apha kule video. From Orlando Pirates bafethu, contract yakhe yaphela nePirates. Quality player indaba game time. Na 30 nayo umjita ngadlala for 4-5 more years career yakhe, especially if you trainer very very well and if he's disciplined. Naye another left-footed number 10 bafethu. Siyazi quality yakhe bafethu. Siyazi vision yakhe in the team position. Very skillful, great vision, can score even if free kicks. Pirates sibone last season ziyakwazi usuka players from Pirates to Kaizer Chiefs bafethu and zifike phana zine-value ngaphandle kokupaseka mako bafethu last season. Thabiso Monyane has been a success Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Dlamini could be the next one. Another player bafethu irelease Orlando Pirates and believe bafethu. On this list, number 3, Karim Kimvidi bafethu, still 24 years old, has all the talent. Last season ebeki loan Israel was scored 4 goals, wins 2 assists. The team yakhe Israel yaba relegated umjita. Big surprise Orlando Pirates imreleasile Kimvidi. La out yeke lo ibeze Pirates bafethu. iPirates bebonisele manje ngathi khona quality bar, but uKimvidi, the real Kimvidi, someone like Maritzburg United bafethu. Yo, what a number 10 bafethu. Basically, sometimes udinga i-coaching ethile bafethu. Not to say Abdeslam Wadu okanye uJose Riverio zangabakwazi umtyhuna kaGrand uKimvidi. Utheni uFatlo Davids noMiddendorp bamenza umjita ngabekela level ngeMaritzburg United. Kaizer Chiefs ilento ifuneka izibuze yona isign uKimvidi bafethu. Inayo ne-foreign sport available Kaizer Chiefs. Le player bafethu anothanda bamayanga kwiBetho Premiership okanye seyidlale enye iclub encane bafethu. Kimvidi ngifuna big club bafethu. Enze la way wenza eMaritzburg. What a player bafethu. iMaritzburg United bafethu bengayenzi la way yohenga too much ebholeni Kimvidi, too many touches, ibenga too casual. iMaritzburg waye agent umjita. 1-2 touches, high class, quick decision making, wenza very quick umjita. What a number 10 bafethu. Orlando Pirates zangikwazi. Orlando Pirates izinto ziyenzeka bafethu. They could not get the best out of him. 2 coaches, Kaizer Chiefs can make it happen bafethu. They have nothing to lose, especially if he's still 24 bafethu. If there's a top coach that can get the best out of him, Kaizer Chiefs, my son and Nancy player bafethu. Number 4 list bafethu, Siyanda Ndlovu. He had a breakthrough season last season bafethu. Golden Arrows, attacking midfielder, very talented, very skillful. Ufuna Orlando Pirates, ufuna na team okuse UAE, twayifuna na Sundowns ngoku. Because you are player of the month. Before the player of the month award last season, before the man of the match awards, I think 3 or 4 last season. With Golden Arrows, we scored 4 goals, win 6 assists. Utwangu squishy, talent, quality, still 23 years old bafethu. Pirates ngagqibile deal asiyazi, but Kaizer Chiefs can make it happen. In last list yami bafethu, number 5, Lucas Ribeiro, one of the best superstars we've ever seen, one of the best number 10s we've ever seen in Betho Premiership, PSL history bafethu. Free agent ngoku irelegated team yakhe Spain last season. Ribeiro bafethu, what more can I say? Say as if you watch Betho Premiership, I don't have to explain what type of player Ribeiro is bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs should make a blockbuster signing bafethu. Make a statement signing bafethu with the player engine. This is the video ngayo bafethu umjita if you want to hear more about this situation and which teams are looking at him, including Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. This is a video about 2-3 videos ago bafethu. Ungajonga i-timeline yale channel. Nazi ezo bafethu fanda ngicela ngalibala support channel bafethu ngo like okanye subscribe. Mocha.